This video explains the tutorial for wired control of the Canon R II camera using the CINENORM series monitors. Connect one end of the cable to the camera's Type-C port, and the other end to the monitor's remote port. Tap the monitor screen to open the menu. Click External Device Connection. Select Wired Camera Control Connection, and click Connect. When the monitor recognizes the camera and displays the control menu, the connection is successful. Click Rec to start or stop recording. Click Focus to activate camera focusing. Click Iris to adjust the aperture value. Click Shutter to modify the shutter speed. Click ISO to adjust the camera's sensitivity. Click Focus. In MF mode, use buttons to manually adjust focus. In AF mode, enable touch to focus on the monitor screen. Click WB to switch white balance presets. When white balance is set to color temperature, click CT to fine-tune color temperature. Click recording mode to switch camera recording modes. The above is the complete tutorial for controlling the Canon R II camera with the CINENORM series monitor via wired connection.